All right, today we're going to be talking about washing a paintbrush. There are some guidelines that you want to keep in mind. First off, you want to make sure that you rinse your brushes in the water cup at your table because that will cut down the amount of time you need to spend at the sink. Second, you want to use your hand to get all the paint off of the brush and the handle itself. 3, you want to wash the metal part and the handle too. 4, the brush is clean when the water runs clear. And then you want to store your clean brush in a cup, bristle side up. So here would be a very poor example of someone with paint on their brushes. But this sometimes happens where you get it all the way up the handle. So you want to, at your spot, you would be putting these into the water and you would be dabbing it like we would clean a brush at our spot. And then you would keep the brushes in the container and carry with 2 hands over to the sink. When you get to the sink, you want to turn the water on slowly. And then you are going to dump out the water. And you want to dump the water while the container is in the sink. You don't want to do it above, or you don't want to do it too fast. It can cause the water to splatter and the paint. Then you're going to rinse it out and add it to the stack. Then you're going to take your brush. The first thing I like to do is I roll it between my hands like this, and that really helps clean out the handle. Some of this stuff is acrylic, so it's not going to be coming off, but you want to make sure that you try anyway. And then there are 2 ways that you can do this. You can do a circular motion on the palm of your hand, like this, and you can notice that the water is clear. I can squeeze it out, and you can also tell that it is clear. And then this would go into the container, bristle side up. Now, another way you can do it, you can see this one also has paint on the edges. My hands are getting dirty. As I'm holding it, I just roll it between my hands. You can also tap it in the bottom of the sink. And it does the same thing, and the only difference is your hands may not get dirty. Okay, so again, once I feel like the water's, you don't want to pull the bristle over the brush. Once you notice that the water's running clear, it goes into the container. Notice how I did not use any soap with this. I'm just using strictly water and my hands.